Today I'm going to be making a review about my Drybar hair curler. Here is the box that it comes with. It's a pretty good hair curler. Yeah, the curls definitely do last long, and it definitely does remove my frizziness of my hair texture when I use this. I don't honestly use this hair curler very much just because I already have another hair curler, but I did receive this as a birthday gift from one of my friends, and so I do use it sometimes. And when I do use it, it works really great on my hair. I'm able to have very pretty bouncy curls from this hair curler. I'm able to style my hair really well. I really love how I'm able to remove the frizziness texture from using this hair curler. It's very long lasting with the curls that this gives me. I definitely do recommend this hair curler.